Best 7 tips to get more and followers on TikTok. Getting more views and followers on TikTok can take time and effort, but there are a few things you can do to increase your chances of success. Here are some tips. I use trending hashtags. Use popular and relevant hashtags to increase the visibility of your videos. You can also create your own hashtag and encourage others to use it. 2. Post regularly. Regularly posting new content will keep your followers engaged and interested in your account. 3. Use eye-catching visuals. Use high-quality visuals, creative editing, and engaging captions to capture your audience's attention. 4. Collaborate with other users. Collaborating with other users or participating in challenges with others can increase your reach and visibility on the platform. Be engaged with your audience, respond to comments and messages, create polls, and ask for feedback to keep your viewers engaged and interested in your content. Share your videos on other platforms. Share your TikTok videos on other social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook to reach a wider audience. 7. Use TikTok ads. If you have a budget, you can use TikTok ads to reach a larger audience and promote your account. Remember, getting more views and followers on TikTok takes time and effort, but by using trending hashtags, posting regularly, using eye-catching visuals, collaborating with other users, engaging with your audience, sharing your videos on other platforms, and using TikTok ads, you can increase your reach and build a loyal following over time. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more informative videos.